All right, guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another Film Camera Friday. Not sure this is actually running on Friday. I kind of suspended the Film Camera Friday for a while because, of course, it was taking a lot of time to get those prints and things. Well, not prints, but get the developing done, and then you got to scan them and all that stuff. So it's taken forever. But I've got kind of a backlog here, so I thought I'll just go ahead and hold those and start putting them out this winter. So we should have quite a few film videos coming out. This one with the Pentax K1000, like I said, a little place called Brooklyn, Indiana. Very cool. And just wanted to come out here and fire off some shots and see what we come up with our Kodak 200. We did a video with the Nikon FM10 with Kodak 200, and I was very happy with the results there, so I would see no reason why we shouldn't have good results here. Had a chance to talk to a couple people local, actually a librarian and all that good stuff, so pretty cool. But stay with us and let me know what you think. Please comment below, please like, please subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll keep it going. All right, guys, until the next one, take care. We'll see you then. Okay, we've got our Pentax K1000. You always want to keep your cap on your Pentax K1000 unless you're, because anytime this cap is off, that means the battery is now being used. Battery is now being not used, so always good to keep the cap on and conserve it. So I'm in a little town called Brooklyn. You can see, I don't know if you can see this up here, kind of cool. Little bitty small town. Walk around, and we've got with our Pentax K1000, we've got a roll of Kodak. I even have to look to make sure. Okay, it's the Kodak 200. Let's just get some shots. A little small town and have some fun. So I'm going to go f6. I'm going to go f11 here with our 50 millimeter. I'm going to go f11 and about 250. Let's see how that. Nope, we would need to go f22. So let's go to 500. Should be okay, so we have to go to f22 or f16 at 500. Well, let's go ahead and go vertical. All right, got that shot. Oh, that's very cool. I wonder if they'll let me get a shot of this. Can I take a photo of that?
I'm sorry?
Can I take a picture of that?
Yeah. Sure.
Awesome. I'm just out walking around taking pictures and.
Sure.
Get up.
It's our first ride.
Oh, is that right?
Yep.
That's awesome. Awesome, man. Why don't you go ahead and stand there? Let me get a. This is an old film camera I'm trying out here. I just old-fashioned film camera. So.
This is my shop too.
Oh, is that right? Okay, I'll send you guys a copy of this as well. Okay, here we go. Let's make sure what we got here. All right.
Cool camera.
Thank you. This is I had this in high school. It was like 40 some years ago.
Oh, really?
It stayed in my parents' house, and here we go, guys. I'm gonna take two here.
Okay.
Because again, this is film, so I got to make sure.
Right.
This is so cool. Okay, here we go. Right here, guys. Excellent, excellent.
Cool.
Right on. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Cool little town here. Let me go ahead and back up here and refocus. I want to get the entire. Want to get the entire light pole in there, or telephone pole. Boy, it's just so difficult to tell when you're in focus with this prism. Okay, so we'll just get a straight on shot. Man, again, we got to back way up this 50 millimeter. Ah, dang it, and this car is going to be just in the way, so. Very tight. I'm gonna drop this down to 2/50th of a second so that I can go to f22 and make sure I've got maximum depth of field. And actually I'm going to take another vertical. Oh, actually this is really cool. If that truck wasn't there, that would be a cool shot. But again, with this 50 millimeter, you got to get way back. Oops, ran into this car. Okay, so let's see if I can squeeze in here and get the shot between the cars. There we go. Again, trying to get the entire telephone pole. Okay, so right now, guys, we are at 2/50th of a second, f16. 2/50th of a second, f16. I'm going to go vertical, try to get the entire light pole. along with the town of Brooklyn. That was very cool. Now this water tower, very nice. Kind of a boring shot, but we'll go ahead and I don't want to get the car in there. I can avoid it. There we go. We got that one. I want to try what if that pickup wasn't there. Okay, this will work. Just barely, but it'll work. 35 millimeter would be much better here. Okay, here we go. All right, that was a little under. And why not go ahead and get a photo? I'm going to go ahead and go up to 500th of a second and get a photo of the flags up here. Let's see if I can make this work. I'll go ahead and post this up, put this up here. What I'm trying to do here is make this work. I'm not sure what you can see with both the flags and the water tower. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'll need to go to F11, but I want to get that 500th of a second because I want to make sure I freeze everything. So I'm going to go ahead and go F11. It will make, this one will make the Brooklyn will not be in focus on that. So I'm going to go ahead and go down to 2/50th of a second and crank this bad boy up to F22, which will be underexposed, but maybe we can get some depth of field. Let's see if the entire thing will end up being out of focus or what. Okay, that was very cool. There is one more photo here I might take. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull this down here. Okay, so we are at 2/50th of a second at F16. Okay. There's that shot. I'm going to get these stairs over here. Let's see. Well, we'll have a hard time finding my framing on this one. Okay, I'm going to go to 1/25th of a second with our shadow because I want to be all the way up at F22. And that's just a hair underexposed. So, that could be really, God, this is just what I do here. Okay, so I'm going to get a shot here first of all. Those three items. Okay. I got to figure out how to get these steps in here and make them look cool. So let's go 2/50th of a, nope, let's go stay at 1/25th of a second, F11. Get that focused. And, oh, got it. That's so cool. Okay, so I'm just going to take another generic shot here. I don't care for this, but I think the steps need to lead somewhere. Which I can. Okay. Guess this angle will be okay. Trying to go vertical here. Seems like everybody shoots vertical. That's kind of, I don't know why. I guess I'm just copying everybody. Okay. Just the okay, we're gonna get this shot as well. The shadows and stuff are what really makes this cool. Oh man, if I could get that whole thing in the picture, but I can only get, again, I've got a 50 on here. Very cool. Okay. Okay, let's see how that one comes out. I do want to take one more. Okay, don't need 1/25th here, so now we're going to 2/50th of a second. All right. I'm at 20 shots, so I obviously need to go ahead and waste the roll here. I just wish these cars were not all up in here. Oh, see that? yes, he's leaving. Oh, yes, yes. And probably don't have any shots left. All right, I've got about 6 shots left. How you doing? Hey, I'm gonna take some pictures of your building.
That's okay.
Just so you wonder who's out. What's this guy doing?
No, I saw that.
Okay.
Well, I took the decorations because I'm putting Christmas stuff later this weekend.
Oh, okay. Excellent. Yeah, I was kind of hoping he'd move the truck, and then he's out here moving it, so this is perfect.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Thank you. Okay, cool. Very, very cool. Okay. So we're going to take another one. We're at 2/50th of a second, f11. The sun has gone kind of low. That's weird. This focus, you're trying to focus this prism here. Shot, boom. Got it before these people came through, and I'm not really sure what. Kind of forgot. I need to make sure and get the top. So let me back up just a hair. I'm going to take one more. Oh, that is awesome. Now I can get both these. Oh, yes. This is just great. I'm going to take them because you never know if somebody's going to pull it or not. Oh, I think we're done. I think that was our last shot. Shame because I wanted to get this. Yep, that was our last shot. Okay. All right, guys. There we had it. Pentax K1000 with the 50mm 2.0 lens. You can see it there. Very awesome. The K1000. Is that a Asahi? Pentax K1000. This thing's about 40, 50 years old. I don't know what year it is. I guess I should check that. I could check that. It was in my parents' garage, basements, everything else for about 40 years. Pulled it out about a year ago, threw it up on a shelf, and now that I'm shooting film, it's just been come in handy. Very, very perfect. All right, so we're going to rewind this, and that'll give us 2 rolls of film now. That nice lady in the library. All right, that's 2 rolls of film that we've got. We have a 200 Kodak 200, and we've got the Fuji. I think that was 400. Maybe that was the 200. I'm not sure. And so now we've got 2 rolls. We'll take these back.